Discover Wae Lolos Village, an emerging gem in Manggarai culture, where nature and tradition blend seamlessly. Just an hour from Labuan Bajo, this tranquil escape invites you to experience authentic local traditions, scenic landscapes, and heartfelt hospitality. Step into history at Rumah Gendang, the traditional house of Manggarai. A symbol of unity, this sacred gathering place hosts important ceremonies, from welcoming guests to discussing community matters. Its iconic linko-shaped roof and buffalo horns stand as timeless markers of Manggarai heritage. Feel the rhythm of Tari Rangku Alu, a dance of skill and agility performed by Manggarai women, as bamboo bars move in harmony with drums and gongs. Dancers leap with precision, celebrating strength and tradition in a mesmerizing display. More than just a waterfall, Cunca Plias holds deep spiritual meaning for the locals. Believed to purify and heal, its waters have been part of traditional rituals for generations. Bathe in its refreshing pool and embrace a moment of renewal in nature's sacred embrace. Elevate your journey to Wae Lolos Village's natural infinity pool, a hidden treasure 70 meters above sea level. Surrounded by lush tropical forest, this pool above the clouds offers serenity and breathtaking views. A perfect spot to unwind and capture unforgettable moments. Wae Lolos Village is more than just a destination. It's a living, breathing cultural treasure shaped by its people. By visiting, you're not just exploring breathtaking landscapes and time-honored traditions, you're supporting a community that thrives through sustainable tourism. Come experience the warmth of Manggarai hospitality. Immerse yourself in its rich heritage and be part of a movement that empowers local communities. Every step you take in Wae Lolos helps preserve traditions, sustain livelihoods, and build a future where tourism and culture grow hand in hand. Your journey awaits. Will you be part of the story?